Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Select a fresh, sushi-grade tuna steak about 8 Oz and look for firm flesh, bright color, and no fishy odor. Pat the steak dry and season with 1/2 teaspoons salt and a pinch of black pepper. Heat a skillet with 3 tablespoons olive oil over medium-high heat until shimmering. Sear for about 3-5 minutes per side for rare, or longer if you prefer well done. Use an instant-read thermometer. 125 degrees F yields rare. 145 degrees F is fully cooked. Rest the tuna 5 minutes before flaking to retain juices. After the tuna has rested and cooled slightly, use 2 forks to flake it into about 2 cups of bite-sized pieces, removing any sinew. In a bowl, whisk 1/3 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon grated lemon zest to brighten flavor. Fold the dressing into the flaked tuna gently, then add 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 2 tablespoons chopped red onion, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Taste and adjust acidity or salt as needed. This recipe makes roughly 4 servings, each about 3/4 cup, and works well chilled or at room temperature. Serve the salad on 2 slices of whole grain bread, on a bed of mixed greens, or form into 4 patties of about 4 Oz each and pan-sear for a warm sandwich. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator at 40 degrees F or below for up to 3 days. Do not freeze tuna salad made with mayonnaise. For variations, add 1/4 cup chopped pickles, 2 tablespoons capers, or 1/2 avocado sliced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.